Grandpa ordered scrambled eggs with tomatoes. Scrambled eggs with tomatoes. Welcome to Mew Mew's Cafe. Your order will be ready soon. Tomato. Green onion. Egg. Let's turn on the stove and start cooking. Butter. Beaten eggs. Tomato. Chicken bouillon. Salt. Green onion. It's ready. Now turn off the stove. It's ready. Enjoy. Scrambled eggs with tomatoes.
I want to eat this.
Scrambled eggs with tomatoes.
I want to eat this.
Scrambled eggs with tomatoes. I want to eat this. Thank you. Spicy bean curd. Tofu. Beef. Green onion. Beef. Cooking wine. Salt. Soy sauce. let's turn on the stove and start cooking. The fire is out. Let's turn it on again. Flip your mobile device to flip the food in the wok. Tofu. Chili powder. Chili bean paste. Water. Green onion. It's ready. Now turn off the stove. It's ready. Enjoy. Spicy bean curd. Spicy bean curd.
I want to eat.
Spicy bean curd.
Panda's weather hurricane. Hi, I'm Kiki. This type of weather is called hurricane. Let's get to know it. Tap on the icon to learn more about the dangers of during a hurricane. The gale will blow down trees on the street. Gale. During a hurricane, storms often causes flooding, which can submerge fields and houses. During a hurricane, storm surges can easily wash away boats. These big waves can also wash away people on the shore, so never walk along the shore during a hurricane. Next, the blue alert means that walking outside can be difficult. The yellow alert means that the wind can stop you walking forward and branches can be blown off. The orange alert means that you will be blown away if you go outside and the window may be shattered by winds. The red alert means that big trees will blow down and even cars can be blown away. My dears, stay safe at home and don't go outside during a hurricane. Daddy, the hurricane is coming. What shall we do?
Don't be scared. Let's prepare for the hurricane together.
Flames are dangerous during a hurricane, so turn the stove off quickly. Find these emergency supplies. Cookies. First aid kit. It is not what we are looking for. Radio. Blanket. Don't forget, you also need to find these things. Flashlight. Water. Towel. Standby batteries. The emergency kit is ready. Close the window quickly. Tape the window. Tape a double X shape to prevent the window from being shattered by gale.
Okay, let's go upstairs and check it out. Bring in the clothes quickly.
The clothes are all inside.
Put the flower pot in the corresponding tray. Great! This way, the flower pots won't fall.
Close the door. Tape the door. Tape every door and window for peace of mind. Okay, it's all done. The hurricane landed. Prepared. We won't be scared. Tape reinforces doors and windows. Stay with your family and don't run about.
Mew Mew, the hurricane is gone, and we're safe now.
Yay! Great!